Hey guys, what's up? It's Scholar85 back with another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for Project Cars 3. So yeah, I picked this up over the weekend. I've actually been away, so I picked this up while I was away. Just got back today, so yeah. As you can see on the front, we've got a lovely little scene with one of the Mercedes. So it is playable on the Xbox Series X when it's out, so that's cool. There's the side. And there's the back. Your ultimate driver journey. Please focus. It says all that. So it is, yeah, cross-generation impulse triggers, and yeah. Never actually says, like, on these what the install size is, but if I'd guess, I'd say around, I don't know, around 20 gig or something like that. So inside we just have the old manual for the store thing, you know, where you do the whole register thing, and the disc itself. So yeah, that's it for my quick unboxing of Project Cars 3 on the Xbox One/Xbox Series X, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you later. Bye bye.